Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make your camera light flash when your phone rings on your Android device. First, you're going to go into settings. So you simply want to pull down on your home screen, and then you're going to tap on the settings icon in the top right hand corner. And right in the search icon above your profile name, you're going to search for camera. And you can see it right here, camera flash notifications. And you're going to tap on that. And from there, you want to turn it on. And you can select preview. And when you select preview, you will see the light flashing. And that's it. That's how to turn on camera flash notification. So whenever you receive a phone call or text, your camera light will now flash. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.